Ah, what a beautiful day this morning. The leaves. Green. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some coffee. Yeah. There's nothing like it. There really isn't anything like it. Just first cup of coffee is the cup of coffee. Oh my god, it's so good and refreshing. All right. Today we will be talking about light stands. Actually, I had to use one of my light stands I was using to hold up my light. All right, this is a light stand. Most of you might be asking, "Oh, well, I know what a light stand is." You know, even the biggest moron knows what a light stand is. Some people don't know what a light stand is. Light stand, the stand with 3 legs. Okay, what it's used for is to hold up light. Now I'm gonna mess up the lighting of this video just to show you how everything would work with a light stand. Let's say you're a photographer and you have a strobe. So what you would do is you would take the strobe and you would mount it on the stand, and that would hold up your light. Hence, you know, the name light stand. So I'm going to show you an example of how it's done. So over here I have the Godox 8200. I'm going to cover that in another video. So for a strobe like this. All right. So now when you have a strobe or a studio light like I have, it holds the light for you. And let's say you're in a setup where you are in a wedding. So the reason this is helpful is, like, for example, if you're shooting dancing, you would point this at the ceiling and the light would bounce and, you know, it would light up the room. So this is why you need a stand. Stands are super crucial if you're getting into different types of photography, such as, you know, portrait photography. If you're going to be photographing events and everything, you need this. You know, obviously it comes with different, you know, add-ons that you have to add. Let's get into the technicals of how a light stand actually works. All right, so I'm gonna close this up fully so you guys can see. So there are different types of light stands. You know, there are light stands that are bigger, light stands that are smaller, depending on your need for the light stand. There are light stands that are also cushioned, air cushioned, which I have an air cushion example and I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so this is a light stand fully closed. This is a small portable light stand. This one is made by Neweer. So this nightstand is actually, what is it, maybe like 10 feet tall? It goes up to 10 feet tall. The way you would use a light stand is you unscrew this counterclockwise. You push down the legs. I actually see people opening light stands like this. This is not the right way to do it. Light stands are supposed to be open like this, and these supports are supposed to be sideways. All right. Then you're going to turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Then you have the neck area of the light stand. You again unscrew it counterclockwise, and you screw it back in tight for it to stay up clockwise. And, you know, based on your need, you're going to extend the rest of the light stand. Let me show you the air cushion light stand. Alright, so here we have an air cushion light stand. And this is more of a heavy duty light stand. This is what I use for my weddings. It's nice and thick. This company is Impact. This is an air cushion 13-foot light stand. So what an air cushion light stand is, it's like a regular light stand, but when you need to take it down, when you undo the latch, it doesn't go down fast all the way. It has some air support on it. Let's say your equipment's up 13 feet in the air and you want to take the light down, you do a lever, and instead of crashing down, it's going to get stopped by the air cushion support. You have it, guys. That's Light Stand 101. See you guys in the next video. Is this in focus? Hi, Gary. Keep shaking my camera. Talking about light stands, and the first light stand we have is the New Year light stand. For New Year, I'm not sure how you say it. New Year. New Year? Alright, find out. There's nothing like it. There really isn't anything like it. 1 second. Get down.